Corn? No, this is. Oh my goodness,
Yes, it is.
No, but I want icy.
More. That's not the one.
Icy. Oh, I probably didn't.
Raspberry.
Oh, no, I want cherry. Okay.
Beautiful. I don't even eat honey mustard.
It's mine.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Faith. McDonald's was crowded, so I decided to come to my favorite pizza shop called Little Italy. It was right next door, so yeah. And I'm at a window, and it's so weird. Okay, bye. Come with me and enjoy the next clips. But I will definitely be vlogging way more, so stay tuned for that. The sky is so fake. Can you focus, please?
Come today.
Okay. Oh snap, you can see the sky in my glasses. Yeah. So my outfit is this jeans jacket that I thrifted, and it's from Gap. I thrifted it, but it's from Gap. Then I have this tube top that's gray. I do not remember where I got it. Then I have these jeans. I got these from Old Navy, and then my shoes or Vans. That's the Brooklyn Bridge. Guys, look at the sunset. It's so... If you guys know me, you know that I'm in love with sunsets. Like, that's all I talk about. That's all I post. It's my favorite thing. Oh, it's the little things in life that make me happy, like sunsets. Oatmeal. Sound like I'm saying oatmeal. I'm finally gonna try oat milk. I hope I like it. Oh, I love these mashed potatoes.